What's up, guys, and welcome back. We're right where we left off last week. I literally just cut on that clip 2 minutes ago. But here we are. We're going to summer prep the whole fleet. We're gonna do oil change, trans and diff oil. We're gonna do oil change in summer tires. We're gonna do oil, transfer case, diff on the truck. And then we're gonna do oil changes on both the VFR and the Grom. Everybody's gonna be nice and fresh and ready for summertime. I'm excited. Let's get started. We're gonna start with the oil change on the FRS since she's up on the quick jacks already. Step 1, drain 0. Woo! We always change the crush washer with an OEM. This is a Toyota one, but it's got a Subaru part number. Flat side goes on the bolts. And this isn't a washer's a directional joke. There is actually, I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick it up, but there's a crush side and then there's a flat side. The flat side goes on the drain plug. Woo! This place is a mess. VFR, Prius, 4Runner, FRS. I always try to keep 2 of everything in stock. And you'll notice I'm only using OEM stuff, always. I will never use aftermarket junk. Hey Mobile One, I'm always looking for sponsors, just saying. Let's see who this idiot is. Okay, gearbox oil is next. Gotta take down this fiberglass piece. Pro tip, always break the fill bolt loose first, because you don't want to drain your whole thing if the fill is seized. So at least if you can't break the fill loose, you know not to drain it. Let's take a look at the magnet. A little gray, but no chunks. That's good, but a little odd considering the shifting issues I had. We're at the rear diff. It looks like I may have a leak, so I'm interested to see how much comes out. If we do have a leak, I'll be doing a video soon about how to replace an axle seal. It's not too bad on these cars. Again, fill plug first, just in case. So we got a lot of oil out of this, so this could just be residual oil, but it's good to know that we don't have a major leak. So I'll clean this up, fill it, and then we'll run it and see what comes out. Let's clean up a finger here, check the magnet. Little gray, it's to be expected, but nothing out of the ordinary here. No chunks, no chips. So we got a healthy diff here. So we'll drain this thing out, put it all back together, fill her all up, and I think this car's done. All right, you're done. More Mobile One. Hey, Mobile One, if you're watching, I think you could tell I love you. This thing pumps very slow. We're at like a half a quart in there now. I think this diff holds a little over a quart. Diff is done. Let's fill the trans. Gearbox is full. Good. Good. All right. Sir, your 4-stroke smells like a 2-stroke. Time to do them rings, brother. Okay, let's find some wheels. So I'm choosing the 18s for now. It's been a little while since I've run them. I always like the look of it. It goes from racy to kind of a little bit of Stance Boy flavor. Matt hates them, so he's probably gonna comment below. But I actually kind of like them. So we'll put them on for now. We'll see what happens. These have my tire pressure sensors in them, so I'll get rid of that tire light finally. Yeah, she was due. She was definitely due. So this car gets Amazon Basics full synthetic motor oil because it's $300 Prius. So, I mean, hey, Amazon, if you want to sponsor me too, I'll take that. Toyota guys will know that's how you reset the maintenance light. It's full. All right, oil's done. Let's get the tires done. We gotta do it quick. We're running out of daylight. Let's go. So the Prius is complete. We still have the truck and the bikes to do, but as you can see, the sun's going down. So we're gonna do those tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is the following day now, and we just have a few more cars to go here. We have the 4Runner. We gotta do all the gear oils and the engine oil and the trans fluid. Then we gotta take care of the girls here. Luna and Cass we gotta take care of their oil changes as well. So let's get right to it. The 4Runner is easy. We don't even have to put it on jacks or anything. I can do everything with it just sitting there. So it makes it a little bit easier. Let's go. Would you just listen to that exhaust note? I've done beautiful work, I must say. All right, she's warmed up. Oil's warm. Let's dump it. It's still pretty cold. This truck doesn't do a whole lot of miles. Just kind of back and forth to the beach. And I change it once a year anyway. So she's gonna be in pretty good shape. Good to go. All right, filter is right over by you guys. So the filter's gonna drip on absolutely everything. That's fun. That's my favorite. Of course, it's gonna hit the steering and the hydro. I can't blame that on Toyota. That was me. I put that there. Ooh, that's a lot of oil. I don't think I have any brake cleaner either. That didn't work. Yeah, we'll wipe it in. It's anti-rust. You seeing a pattern here? Hi, Mobile One. How you guys doing over there? Good? Great. That's fantastic. Oops, spilled it a little bit. I clearly don't have the skills to be a pourer on your commercial. But, you know, if you want to just, like, pay me to do this, that'd be cool. So that's the oil and filter, done and dusted. We're gonna do the diffs now. We'll do this real quick. Okay, almost there. Last piece on the 4Runner is the trans. It's actually in pretty good shape, this oil. I got the trans filled up to the cold mark, so I'm gonna warm the truck up, do a couple of laps around the block, and then come back, check it, make sure it's at the high mark, and all that kind of stuff. In the meantime, let's take the clothes off of the VFR and get that one ready for her oil change. All right, ATF level in the truck is good to go. We got the bike all naked. Let's drop the oil on this beast now. Cass is drained. She's got a new filter on her. Now it's just time to fill her up. Now you'll notice up until now we've been using Mobile One pretty much everywhere. On the bikes though, we're gonna use some Motul 7100. Now this is a 5-quart jug. The bike only takes about 3.8, but the Grom takes a quart. So one 5-quart jug is enough to do both bikes, which is perfect. Let's finish this thing off and go on to that one. So the Grom doesn't have an oil filter. It's just a drain and fill. So this will be quick and easy. While that's straining, let's put the fairings back on the VFR. Perfect, right where we want it. And the Grom is done. Grom is running, and VFR is running. No leaks there. And no leaks there, we're looking good. I think we're done, dudes. Woo. I gotta do this. This is an important part of this. Who doesn't love a V4? All right, a long video. If you guys made it through a whole video of me just changing oil on a bunch of things, love you. Thank you for that. Thanks for watching this and everything else on Counter Steer Garage. I know this is a little bit of a boring video, but if you stayed this long, thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next Taco Tuesday.